You're going to see in this video how we named our tractor Rex. The RK25 is a great tractor, and with the grapple on the front, it looks just like a T-Rex. Well, maybe not exactly, but it's pretty darn close. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Share it if you want to. This is a great video, especially if you do much with parades. This is a great way to turn your mower or tractor or something into something that will just really benefit the community. Angel found this mesh netting, this canvas that can hide your equipment, like in the woods, and it would do a really good job. It's some fantastic stuff, but we thought, hey, this might be good for a dinosaur skin, and it did. It really works well. The feet were really the tricky part. We wanted to make it look like the feet were moving with the wheels, but not turning around. Now, it kind of worked. I definitely would need to work on something to make it a little better, but it got the point across and it looked pretty good. The feet are printed on vinyl and then mounted to corrugated plastic. We had some scrap left over at the shop, and then we cut them out by hand. We printed them at like 16 by 23 inches or so. And you can see the balance isn't exactly right, so we'd go back through and adjust them. I put this printed vinyl cover of the so-called dinosaur skin over the tires. It didn't do so well. It worked for what it needed to that day, but that's not a permanent solution if I was going to make this more than once. On the grapple, we took some scrap white vinyl and wrapped it around the teeth. And that gave it a really good look. And the reaction we got out of kids and adults alike was just incredible. I wish we could have recorded more of the parade because it was really good. It was almost like Disney animatronics.
It ripped the teeth. The eyes stay on, it looks creepy. The eyes stay on, it looks creepy, but we ripped the teeth on this side.
Oh, we probably should have taped it to the teeth then.
Yeah.
Okay, did the other side do that?
No, it did not, but it's taped to the teeth too, so this side just must have been a little bit too tight.
How's that?
Yeah, that's better. Look at that already.
I think we need to
morning, drive it around just to see if there's anything that we're just not worried about it right now.
Yeah.
But how does the tail move? I think we're gonna have to. Do I need to zip tie that, or?
I think it's fine.
I think it's fine.
We're too dark. I can't see anything.
Here's some tape.
The eyes are still covered up right now. We wanted to protect them from the dew. I'm not sure if this looked more like a T-Rex or a big alligator, but it was still fun. And maybe the animatronics are a little bit primitive. We are right here at the parade lineup in our small town, and we've got our dinosaur mostly ready to go. Gotta put them up in full position, and we ended up getting them pretty well done. There's a few things I would have changed. Gotta get somebody on the back here for the swing in the tail. But overall, I think Rex turned out good. What do you guys think? Does it work?
What's your husband called?
School resource officer. Not my husband, but Morning, gentlemen.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Good. How about you guys?
Good.
Excellent. You guys are following everything up, right?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Okay, we're moving.
I know, there's candy everywhere. Thank you. Hello. Did you get a dinosaur yet? There you go.
Or visit nativeset.com. try and report the adults that are standing around on the side of the road. If you do see candy tossed out in the street the kids aren't picking up, if you can pull that off the side of the street, we would appreciate that.
This is hard to do.
And we have Antwerp Pharmacy, your friendly hometown pharmacy. Mindy, Misty, and Sarah are your caring and knowledgeable pharmacists.
You get a dinosaur
Are
with that one,
always
too.
happy to see you, and with the help of their right-hand gals, Alyssa and Kat, do their best to make sure.
Bryce is going too slow again. I don't know if he's having a hard time turning the corner or what.
Take advantage of our
the thing came down over the teeth.
Make sure you use and vaccinations. All right, this monstrosity we have here is a West Bend printing, I will say, source for more computers. Grinding design.
Dinosaur.
There you go. Welcome. I don't know if this is on. Pretty impressive. Ooh, you guys want some candy? Alright, here, hold your bags open.
Dinosaur, a dragon.
Dinosaur?
Oh, there you go, Barry. Here. Look. Woo, what's that? That's good. That's good.
Rex turned out fantastic. I don't know how much we got recorded, but Rex did amazing in the parade. Everybody seemed to love him, and I'm glad we got to do that. I think that was a great idea, and Angel did such a good job putting all this together. And anyhow, I don't know how we did, but I think it was a success.